What's up guys, welcome back. Kakashi doing the Rasengan. Let's go. So I'm going to do his headband line first. I think it's the best place to start with Kakashi. So we just divide this part of his head diagonally. Just like that, right? And then his eye will just be here. So we'll go diagonal, across, and then it kind of spikes down here. And we do the bottom eyelid, curve it around, and then his iris. It's just black in this one, so a half circle just coming down from the top. Boom, 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 boom. So we got to make it look like he's angry. So we're gonna just do like a bit of his eyebrow just here. Like so. And then maybe like a little gray section, you know, because he has gray hair. And then his eyelid line sort of curves around the eye here. And then we get a bit of a nose line, say there. Maybe a bit coming down this side as well. Right, so just here we have a little V for his sideburn of his hair. So just like a little spike. And then his mask bumps over his nose. So we go up over the nose there. And then it goes back down. And up just underneath that V. Right, and then there's like a little line just there, and then it comes down for his jaw, across to his chin, the chin itself, and then it goes back up to where that mask, the end of the mask is here, just at the line for his headband. Right, so then we get his ear in here, and then we have ear lines inside, and then the rest of the headband. So it bumps along the side of his head there, and then we bring it down. We get a couple of hair spikes here. And then the rest of it, well, no, there's another hair spike actually. And then the headband comes down this side. Right, and then we got the metal plate. So just two sort of bracket lines. There and there. And then we bring them together. And then the top. And then we have the leaf spiral in the middle. Got a bit of a tail. And then a beak sticking off there. And then there's 3 studs on each side of the headband. I don't think I've ever drawn him doing the Rasengan. I can't remember. I think I did it when, like, you know, the big Rasengan. I think I drew that one. I can't remember though. rest of his hair starts spiking up and around then. Like that. Alrighty, so right, so we'll do those big collars that he has, you know, around his neck. Curve him down that way. Comes back in up to his chin, and then back around his ear. And the one on this side. And they have two lines that run down the inside of them. Same over here. And then we can just see like the back of his neck there. Front of his neck here. And then collarbones. So his shoulder comes down this way. So you got the big hand here with the Rasengan just in it. So we get maybe this shoulder in first. Curving around here. He's got like all armor, you know, stuff on. It's like a button here. But I won't close that off, right? Because his finger is like in there blocking it. So his shoulder kind of bumps. So you got like lots of folding and bumping lines for this arm because it gets real big as it comes around. It gets foreshortened is what it's called. So it all starts to sort of fold in on itself kind of thing. So real big hand here. So it's just four fingers. So we'll do them. We'll do the fingers first. So one here. There's one in here. So we'll go flat along here. This is his index finger. Curves around. And then there's like fingernails. They go down into his fingerless gloves. Then the next finger, so same thing again. Next one. Right, and then his sleeve is kind of just in behind here. goes in behind the hand, which is probably like bumping around there somewhere. It's hard to see because they were Rasengan, but I think that's correct. And then we just go down to his thumb. Right, so in here, if you've like a cup, something that's like the right size, don't mind my teacup, but if you something that's the right size, you could trace around. Mine's slightly too big. But if you have a compass or something, you could put that circle in there. But if not, try and just get it in freehand. And then inside, so you want to do these like sort of circular kind of spiral lines on the inside. So they kind of like overlap one another and go in like around in like different directions. But the outside edge is left white. Like that, right? So in the rest of his body, so we have the armor coming down here. Bumpy, kind of a zipper in the middle. And it's bumpy because it's kind of folding a little bit. Then all this armor always has like edge lines that kind of follow the outer line of the area. And then he has another sort of shoulder pad coming out from up here. How many times have we drawn Kakashi now? Very popular character. So that's like the armor there, and then this comes down, and then he's got those pockets, those sort of box-like pockets, you know. And they've got like lines on the inside of them. And another section here. And like his belly just goes this way. And then his trousers just goes down here. He's got like a pouch on his pants. Oh yeah, he has that red spiral up here actually. And then the last bit is this arm that's coming down here, bumping down. And his hand, so just his wrist here. And then we get his glove starting here, and then we go down to his thumb. It's like it's fingerless gloves again. Just his index finger sticking out. And he's got like a metal plate here as well. And then 2 more fingers just sticking out there roughly. Da-da-dum-dum-dum. Kakashi doing the Rasengan. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.